Welcome. Dollar index and other commodities and Bitcoin have a very close relation, but that relationship is not a positive one. Mostly it is negative one. When dollar index moves up, other commodities and Bitcoin goes down. In this video, we will see all the technical levels only. No stories, only technical levels, so that it will be useful how dollar index makes other commodities move up or down. So this you can have a look. Now we will see first one by one. First, silver. Silver presently it has gone into my channel. You can see in my part 3 video, silver video, from my multi year or multi month support lines, it has taken a support. Again it has come into my channel. Inside the channel it has come. So now if you see, just it is unable to give a breakout above my multi week resistance line at 90.750. So it is a very strong resistance, 90.75 multi-week resistance line. So again it is coming down. Probably it should not go below my reversal line, blue line. If it goes and stays there for 1 or 2 days with big candle and high volume, then it will go and touch the stop loss hunting lines are there. What is stop loss hunting line? End of the video you will come to know. And below there is a multi-week support line. And again, as I told in the part 3 silver video, there are multi-year, multi-month support lines along with stop loss hunting line. So if at all it gives a breakout above my strong resistance, multi-week resistance line and a stop loss hunting line, black line, it may go and touch my next resistance line at 98.99. So I believe it will be difficult. It has to come down only, it seems, as per the candle charts. The candles are well coordinated also. So now next commodity which will be affected by the dollar index. You can see gold. Gold also frequently gets affected by dollar index, but recently this correlation is not working exactly. Comex gold, we will see the levels right now. It is still inside my swing trading range only. If you see in my previous part 3 videos, you will know it has not given a breakdown. Unlike silver, it is still within my swing trading channel range 4927, and top end if you see 5720. So what will happen to Comex gold next, whether it will go up or down, that we will come to know. Presently it is what, sideways little bit. This will be the blue color reversal line. Comex gold should not fall below the blue line. If it goes and falls with big candle high volume, then it will come down to the bottom end of the channel. So but below there is a multi-week support. Again multi-week support at 5041. Again there is a stop loss hunting line, black color, 5079. So Comex gold, it is affected by dollar index as I told, but since there are one stop loss hunting line, black line, again above there's a again stop loss black line, hunting line, it may be consolidating for a while, I believe. So you have to be very careful. What is stop loss hunting line? End of the video you will come to know. So it will eat your stop losses. Whenever it comes near to the stop loss hunting line, you should be very careful. You have to keep your stop losses very wide, otherwise it will go and hit your stop loss and you will be in a loss. If at all it gives a breakout above the stop loss hunting line with a big candle high volume, next resistance it has to go and touch 5371. Only if it gives a gap up some $30-40, I mean 1% at least, then it will go and touch the middle end of the channel, as well as middle end of the channel, it's a resistance, as well as top end of the channel, sorry, resistance line at $5371. Again there is a stop loss hunting line. Definitely whenever stop loss black color hunting line comes, it will go and touch and test those stop loss hunting and will hit all our stop losses. So you have to be very careful. This is the all time high, but based on the weekly candles, if you see, it has to go to all time high. It will test the all time high, because you can see this is the red color. You can see red color line, red color weekly candle with a big upper tail wick. So whenever this kind of wick with upper tail forms, that wick upper tail will be filled up. You can see red color. It is almost like a doji. So I believe it will go and touch above, provided dollar index should not go up. So next we will see dollar index. You can see complete video, part 3 video, gold video also, go and refer from a playlist. Welcome. It seems dollar index has given a multi-year breakdown below my multi-year rising trend line, green color line, that is from 2013-20 trend line. It was multi-year rising trend line. It has given a breakdown. So now it is coming to my bottom end of the channel. This is a bottom end of the channel. This is the top end of the channel. This channel is a multi-week downward channel. From 1114 it has come down, multi-week channel. So let us see how low dollar index can go. There is a already multi-year gap line. It has given a breakdown and bounce back. Again another multi-year gap line is there. Again multi-year stop loss hunting line is there. What is stop loss hunting line? At the end of the video you can learn. So for me, I believe stop loss hunting line, it may give a breakdown below my multi-year week channel line below and touch this line, gap line, and again stop loss hunting line and hit all our stop loss levels and bounce back. Again chances are there, otherwise it can bounce back. It has to go above this multi-week reversal line. Then again there's a multi-week stop loss hunting line. Again there is a downward resistance, multi-week downward resistance line is there. So it will be very difficult to go above these levels. If at all it goes dollar index 99, there is a resistance line above stop loss hunting line, dollar index. Again middle end of the channel, again multi-month resistance line, again there's a multi-month resistance line, and it has to go above the top end. It seems dollar index, it will be very difficult to cross even 1 or 2 in a short term, because based on the dollar index all other asset classes have a negative correlation. So my prediction is it may go and touch below the multi-year black color stop loss hunting line and give a bounce back. Thank you. Like and subscribe, it is very important. So have a look. I am Ganesh Babu, GB Investor Zone from India. Welcome. Bitcoin after a very severe correction, what will happen next we will come to know. Presently it is very near to the middle end of the channel, multi-week channel. Actually what is the range I will tell you now. So there is a short-term falling trend line. It has to give a breakout. Now we will see the channel, bottom end of the channel. It is at 26868. This is 2021 weekly channel. Top end you can see 1 lakh 35. So it is having a very very big range. So now if we see, it should not fall below the middle end of the channel around 59,000. Below there is a stop loss hunting line, multi-week stop loss hunting line and multi-month stop loss hunting line, black color lines, and there is a gap line also. There is a support, multi-week support lines. Again there is a multi-month gap line. Again there is a multi-week black line stop loss hunting lines. Again there is a multi-week black color stop loss hunting line. Again gap line. So what will happen next? It should not fall below the middle end of the channel. But what will happen next? Lot of stop loss hunting lines, black color stop loss hunting lines are there in between 71 to 54. So you should consolidate for a while before it gives any meaningful breakout. If you see weekly candle, volume is very very high. It has broken down with a very good volume, and the candle coordination pakka, very good candle coordination also it has happened. So at least it should give a breakout above the blue line and stay there for at least 1 week 2 weeks with big candle high volumes. Then only it will reverse at my above my blue line. But since there is a stop loss hunting line there, your stop losses will be trapped. So you have to be very careful. Detail about stop loss hunting line you will come to know now. You can see how to enter, how to exit with profit, how to find bottom. As I told, when it comes to the bottom end of the channel, you can safely assume it has come to the bottom. So what is stop loss hunting line? My black lines. So disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered market consultant. Stop loss hunting line, channel trading, how to take entry, exit, swing bottom, discount zone, color code, legend, my lines, level lines. So how to take entry step by step I have given. Definitely again you will come and refer my levels to know about the Bitcoin. So these are all. At the time please subscribe without fail and like the video also. These are all examples of my previous videos. You can see around the black line it will go and come, consolidate, it will go up, you will buy, again it will come down. So your stop losses will get hunted. So you have to be very careful with the stop loss huntings. Thank you. Welcome. Crude oil, due to Iran US tension, it is at 7-month high. Whether this will continue or it will fall, we will come to know now. The bottom end of the channel around 55 and the range top end 71. So presently crude oil is at near to the middle end of the channel, 64, around 64. So now this will be the downside, very strong multi-week downside trend line. Recently it has given a breakout, but again it is coming down. So below the middle end of the channel for crude oil will be a support around 64. Again multi-week support line, stop loss hunting line. What is stop loss hunting line? At the end of the video you can come to know. And below there is a multi-week supports are there, multiple multi-week supports, and there is a multi-month or multi-year stop loss black hunting line, then bottom end of the channel. So MCX crude also will follow this. And now if you see top, there is a stop loss hunting line. Again there is a resistance line at 69, again multi-year resistance line at 71.71. so as per weekly chart candle pattern, it has given a very good breakout. So probably it may go and touch 69. If it gives a good breakout, then again it may go and touch the top end of the channel. So but it should not fall below the middle end of the channel. If it falls below the middle end of the channel with big candle and high volume, again there's a stop loss hunting line. So there it will oscillate here and there, consolidation will happen, but it will eat your stop losses. So you have to be ready. Below there's a multi-year gap line is there, but long term trend it has to fall only due to US Iran tension. It is going up. Now as per my prediction, maybe it may go and touch $69. Let us see. Now what is stop loss hunting line